Hey everybody, so today I am going to teach you how to draw flowers in a flower pot. So let's get started. The materials you will need is a permanent marker and a thin Sharpie and any colors of your choice. So I have my colors right here. So you can use crayons or colored pencils or markers, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's get started. Take out your permanent marker, and first we need to draw the flower pot. So first draw a rectangle. Okay, that's a really bad rectangle there. Okay, anyways, just draw a rectangle, and we're going to draw the flower pot. And then after that, we're gonna start drawing the flowers inside. So first we are going to draw a leaf. So just draw a random leaf there. And after that, we're gonna have the stem of a flower. And then we're just gonna draw a flower there. 3, 4, 5, okay. That does not matter. Okay, and you're gonna draw a circle in the middle. So you can use the thin Sharpie if you want. It's just optional. Okay, now we're going to draw the other flower. So I'm gonna use the thin Sharpie this time because. And then you draw that, a stem, and you're gonna draw a curve. That will be a petal. And just draw more around it, and draw a circle inside. And we also need another leaf there. After that, we're going to draw some more flowers. So then, what we will need to do is we are going to draw a flower up here, and that is a very bad flower. I know you can do better. Okay. And just draw a circle in the middle. And draw a stem. And then we're going to draw a tulip. So we're gonna draw a line on that and draw spikes. And it's gonna come down here. And then we're gonna curve it like that. And just draw a stem coming over here like that. And you of course can draw as many flowers as you want. So I'm gonna draw one more tulip. There. And then I'm going to start coloring it. So yeah, I'm going to color this leaf green because leaves are supposed to be green or yellow. At this part, you can just color whatever colors you want the flowers to be. So just color them however you want. So yeah, I'm gonna color my flowers. So now I'm on to coloring my flower pot. So I'm gonna do that now. This is how your flower pot should look like at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!